Um, um, I can't say actually. I think I would like to experience all different kinds of roles. Action भी हो सकता है उसमें, romance तो हो ही रहा है. Something dark also, something challenging, because I think playing the good guy is simpler relatively, because good guy just needs to be good, but when you get into those negative shades and those strange zones, those darker zones of a character, the undefined, underlined, then I think that's when the fun comes in. But it really depends how you look at things. Even playing good stuff can be good. I mean, films like Carlito's Way and what Pacino played in Scarface and something like that. I did a video called Aag Jaisi Ye Jawani. उसमें थोड़ा सा मैंने I've played that character with that negative streak, so you can check that out. So that kind of stuff, yeah.
Susan Bahadur wants you to say her name out of
Susan Bahadur.
And Rida wants you to smile cutely into the camera and say her name.
Rida? Hey Rida. Okay, so I am on Twitter, and I recently changed my name to Ali Zafar Says from Ali Zafar For You. So anyone who has any doubts, that is me. I don't know how to verify my Twitter account, so I just don't know how to do that. So you can follow me on Twitter. I recently posted a video from an Elvis cover that I did last night. I was up till late, and I just thought that I'd strum some chords. So in that late night zone, I sang that song by Elvis, Are You Lonesome Tonight? So yes.
Tehreer wants you to sing an emotional patriotic song.
But these are questions from before also, no? Live also? An emotional patriotic song? Well, the song that I would... Have you heard Imagine by John Lennon? So hear that song and tell me what you think about it.
Tehreer wants to know how you met Aisha.
How I met Aisha. Aisha came to get a portrait done from me at the PC, and that's how I met her. And and since then I've been a good, committed guy.
Abdul Basit wants to know how you felt the experience of working in India was. Can you compare that to Pakistan?
The experience of working in India was fantastic. See, the thing is that there are a lot of misconceptions about India and Pakistan, and I don't want to get into that political zone, but the thing is that since people from here don't really get a chance to go there and actually see things in reality, and vice versa, people from there don't get to be here. So whatever the perception that you have, aisa hoga, and that's been created due to our political history and through media and all that makes you think, oh, pata nahi kya, and this and that. But actually it's pretty much the same. I mean, people are people. There are good and bad people everywhere, and you just need to respect people from wherever they are, whatever their beliefs are, whatever faith they follow. So just like you want everyone to respect your faith and your belief and your ideology and your nation and your country, similarly the others want that too. So you give respect and you'll get respect. अगर आप किसी को बुरा भला कहेंगे तो वो ज़ाहिर है उसके भी दिल में ख्यालात आपके लिए कुछ बहुत अच्छे नहीं हो सकते. So basically, if you want goodness, you have to give goodness out to the world.
Preeti wants to know what's the experience of fatherhood.
It's a great experience. It's really good. It's the best actually.
Sonia wants to know if you could sing a song from the movie Mere Brother Ki Duniya.
Sonia wants to.
Song from the movie.
ओ सर घूमे चक्कर खाए, दिल दिल से टक्कर खाए, अरे मैं खोया के तू खो गया, जो ना है दिखता जाए, जो है वो दिख ना पाए, अरे आंखों को ये क्या हो गया। हो दिल चाबी खुल जाए, मस्ती का ताला, छोरी लागे जोरू झोरा लगे साला, पनगढ़ पे नाचे नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला, पनगढ़ पे नाचे नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला, पनगढ़ पे नाचे नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला। Hey, thank you, thank you.
You know what next film is in the pipeline? West wants to know what other film is in the pipeline.
Well, London, Paris, New York is the next film that I'm doing, as I said, and after that, Chashme Baddu with David Dhawan.
Okay. Baba wants to know what does it take to become a hit model?
What does it take to become a hit model? I don't know यार, modeling is something that I, मुझे सबसे boring modeling लगती थी यार। मुझे तस्वीरें जब खिंचवानी पड़ती हैं तो it's like I'm like oh my god, I have to like pose now and smile and do this and that, and it's pretty I mean, if you want to be a model, you just need to look good. You need to have a good stylist, a good agency, a six-pack maybe, and that kind of stuff. So, yeah, and a lot of, and patience maybe. But you need to know if you are. See, but the thing is that a lot of people think that they are that, but in actuality they might be good at something else. So you need to discover what you're really good at, because you might think that you're really good looking or sing really good, but other people might not. So you might need to get that reality check in life earlier on in your life so that you can decide what you want to pursue so that you don't waste time. Yeah.
Says the animation of the commercial is really good. What was the experience like and how difficult was it to make an avatar of yourself?
When we were shooting the commercial, actually my job was pretty much done in a few hours because my sequence was in the car. I think the real hard work went into creating that avatar, the 3D animation and all that, because that takes a lot of time. And this was perhaps the first time that something like this was being attempted here in Pakistan. So, I think those guys deserve a lot more credit than I do. But it was a good experience riding that car and all. And yeah.
Zen wants to know, would you consider leaving Pakistan to work in any other country?
कुछ गर्म मिलेगा? ये बहुत ठंडा पानी है। ग्रीन टी मिलेगी? Yeah.
Zen wants to know, would you consider sugar?
शुगर शहद नहीं है? हनी तो नहीं, चलिए शुगर फिर रहने दें, शुगर के बगैर बस थोड़ी सी ग्रीन टी।
Would you consider leaving Pakistan to work abroad?
Yeah, see, the thing is, okay, I'll repeat the question in case people haven't heard it. The question is if I would leave Pakistan to work anywhere else in the world. The thing is, there are a lot of people, including Pakistanis, at the moment residing in different parts in the world, in different countries, doing work, doing their jobs. So if somebody goes out to work somewhere, wherever the work takes, it should be totally cool. And I'm an artist. That's what I do. And wherever I'll get good work, wherever I'll get respect, I'll go there and do my job. But at the same time, I remember my roots, and my people are very important to me. And it feels good to make them proud of what you're doing. But for me, my philosophy in life is that we're living in a planet which is called Earth. And the most important thing is the bond between human beings as humans. So humanity is the most important thing for me. I do not value or judge people or discriminate them on the basis of their creed, culture, whatever. For me, it's a good person, a good human being, or a bad human being. And yes, from where you come, you have a certain emotional bond with that area, and that bond will always be there.
Susan wants to know, if she were to give you an elephant, where would you hide it?
Susan wants to know, if she gave me an elephant, where will I hide it? Do I need to hide the elephant? Let the elephant be, you know. मेरे घर में तो वो आएगा नहीं. मैं तो एक गरीब सा फनकार हूँ, एक छोटा सा घर है मेरा, तो उसको कहीं जू में छुपा देंगे.
Sheeta Agarwal wants you to declare her love for her.
Sheeta Agarwal, you want me to declare your love for me or my love for you? Well, in either case, it has been declared.
Rafael wants to know, what do you think has been the secret to your success?
The secret to my success has been the guidance of my family, my parents, and their support, and a lot of hard work. A lot of hard work. I've worked very hard in life. That is something I'm proud of, and I still work very hard. And humility, and not letting it get to my head. I mean, whatever landmark or goal I achieve, जिसे कहते हैं कि एक हमारा मुहावरा है कि दरख्त जितना फलता फूलता है और बड़ा होता है, उसको उतना ही, जितना फल उसे लगता है, उतना ही उसमें झुकाव आना चाहिए. So the more success that you gain in life, you need to attribute it more to that power that has given you that, and you are just a source and a channel to do good for other people in many ways. I think even entertaining people and making them smile is doing good to people. So, okay, there's my green tea. There's normal water. आजकल ठंडा पानी पिएंगे तो गला ख़राब हो सकता है, और गला ख़राब हुआ तो प्रोड्यूसर्स को बहुत नुकसान हो सकता है. तो इसलिए I have to be very careful because I'm recording vocals for my songs for the next film. By the way, the music is turning out fantastic. We're all very excited till it releases, and there are different kinds of songs because the film is London, Paris, and New York. So in each region that we'll go to, I've tried to create a different sound to every song. So it's turning out pretty good.
Abrar wants to know, do you like reading, and is there any particular book that's influenced you very much?
Abrar, that's a very good question. Abrar has asked if I like reading. I think I'm the happiest when I'm reading because knowledge is something that I strive for the most out of all the sets of wishes that I have. So when I'm reading books, and I like to read on spiritual books or books that, you know, enlighten you, and in many different ways, different philosophies. I like to read about history, how civilization has progressed, and recently I've been reading Mirza Ghalib's एक उनकी है, सरफराज खान नियाजी हैं, उन्होंने उनकी अंग्रेज़ी में कुछ उनका इंटरप्रिटेशन की है, वो मैं लव सोनेट्स ऑफ गालिब वो पढ़ रहा हूँ. The books that I've enjoyed reading in life, Conversations with God, Immortality, Da Vinci Code, और ये जो पूरी सीरीज़ थी ये तो सबने पढ़ी होंगी.